Hi everybody, welcome back to Print Pot of Health. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on my little sister, Hallie Goose, and we're going to be doing a green wing macaw parrot. And I've not done this before, so I actually have no idea what I'm doing. So I'm just going to wing it and we'll see how it goes, right? Yep. Okay. So the green wing parrot, the green wing macaw, has, the one I'm looking at has a red face, and then it's got sort of blues and things like that going down. So obviously we won't be able to do all the feathers and things like that, but what I will try and do is try and get some of the feathers into here so you can see. So yeah, so just make sure you stay looking up. If your neck starts to hurt, let me know. And I'm just going to put her hair back so it doesn't get in the way. And we're going to see if we can do this really quickly. Let's hope, right? Because you've got homework to do.
Sadly.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to mask out the white, which seems to go in sort of a triangle on the face, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we'll do it that way. You kind of look like a parrot.
Awesome.
So I'm actually, let me just show you. I'm actually just using a typical sort of color makeup kit that you can get at any sort of party shop or anything like that. So it's really simple. You don't have to go out of your way. I think it cost me $4.29, so that's dollars. So I'm just going to create a triangle. Hopefully you'll be able to get all this off before school tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, look up to the ceiling. I'm just going to use, comes with like a little smudgy brush. I'm going to use that, like one of those typical sort of eyeshadow brushes you get in kits. And I'm going to take that under her eye. If you just turn that way so they can see. It's a bit bright, but hopefully you can see that. Look, I'm just going to bring that down a little bit. Now I thought of buying like a beak for her, but I didn't because I couldn't find what I was looking for. So hopefully we can get this to look as realistic as possible without a beak. Look up to the ceiling. actually prefer like the cake pans you can get of white makeup, or the ones that you've seen me use in like my other tutorials. Those tend to work a little bit better, but this will make do. Let's see. Little goose. Should have done a goose one on you. Ha 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 ha.
You're so sure.
Okay, close your eyes. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna, oops, sorry. Zoom that out a bit so they can see. Alright, so we've got that on, and now I'm gonna take a synthetic brush like that, and I'm gonna create the white top of the beak, because on this particular parrot, the top of the beak is completely white. So
So she got a beak.
I know. We'll do our best. I might actually just do your whole nose as a beak.
That's fine.
Because I need to do the bottom bit as black, don't I?
Yeah.
And just blend it out with my finger. I'm going to taper it in. It's going to come from the outside here and bring it in to the nostrils. Okay, turn it to the side. Okay.
I look hot as Macaw.
You look like a hot macaw. Cool. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna leave that for now, and then I'm gonna go on to the red. Because there's a lot of red to do. So we've gotta come, the red's gotta come right down here and all the way from up there. Oh yeah. Go right in for the kill. And then what we can do is we can sort of do some feather-like details once I get this in.
Wish we had a crazy face day at my school.
I
I
know.
was looking for a crazy hair day, but
No crazy face?
this would have won the competition.
Yeah. Okay, so we had a little malfunction because I ran out of space for a minute. Okay. Let me get this down. Sort of feather it around. Just bring that down a little bit. This way. And then let's see. We'll do a little bit on the cheekies, even though it's not supposed to be there. Because I think I'll put the beak there, so we'll just... Okay. So got that. All right, I'm gonna draw the beak in.
Oh no.
And let's see.
In black.
Yeah. Okay, so this is difficult, goosey goo. Okay, close your mouth. And we're gonna do that. You look amazing.
I know. No.
No? Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of shading. Just take a little bit of the white. I think that
looks like a
shows.
real beak.
Yeah, so that it comes over, so like this. See what I mean? I'm laughing. Can you look up? Doing well. Okay, looking. That's better. Okay, let me get some more white right here. Figure that out. And then put a bit more black. Okay, look in the mirror. Right. Let me just see this side, turn that way. Alright. Alright, we just need to put a few black feathers here. And I think we can do a little bit of highlighting with white, because it's pretty much pure red. But I'm going to mix a bit of red and white together. Just a little bit more white. Just dot it along. Let me see if I just turn off this side, what happens. That might be a little bit better, isn't it, Goose? Okay. So if we zoom in, however I zoom. Okay, I'll fix the lip in a second because it's a little bit crooked. I'm just sort of ruffling the feathers along the head.
That was good.
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. I look like a person macaw.
You do. Yeah, that's good. Now, the macaw has like sort of red marks like around the eyes, so I'm going to make those distinctive look now.
That's going to look amazing.
So I'm just going to use another synthetic brush, if you can, ooh, where's the focus? You can't see it. There it is. Okay. So I'm just going to take some more red, and I'm just going to start drawing basically some squiggles around the eyes. Okay. Close your eyes. Look up. And they sort of go, they're not completely random because they sort of swing around in a sort of symmetrical form. And then close your eyes. There you go, open. That's good. Make a few little dotty ones. Okay. How's that look? Good. Alright. Just gonna tilt that down a little bit. Don't tilt too much. Stay right there. Ooh, birdie! Okay. Now, I'm just gonna take a little bit more red. I'm just gonna get this area neatened up. It does look like a beak now, doesn't it?
I almost like this better.
But we'll make the beak really symmetrical in a second. There's a macaw. Daddy's just come in the room. Okay, so now we're just gonna start blending out and do a bit of yellow and green, and then finish off with a little bit of blue. So if we just take, I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, look up. Just like that, turn your head this way. And that's the yellow that I'm putting in. I'm just gonna zoom back. Oops.
Forward.
Yep, wrong way. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that now. Okay, and the other side. Did he?
Yeah.
Can you hear him right now? Someone with him?
No. I don't think so. He's still crying. How do you not hear that?
Oh, the baby's crying.
I do look like a real macaw. Gilbert Sacco. It actually does look like a real macaw. Just gonna do some down here, I think, and kind of make some feathers, so it'll look cool. She's really good. You should really like that.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Oh my god.
Okay. Did I scare you?
Yes.
Alright, I'm just gonna put
More red.
no, just a bit more yellow. A bit more yellow around here as well. Okay. And then I'm gonna take a bit of the green,
Ooh, yeah.
which is that. I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of
White. Yellow.
yellow. Because it's quite a yellowy green. It's not.
It's not a
Yeah. And take that down the neck. A bit more. Other side. Actually, just tilt your head back entirely. Up there you go. So you can see this. Right there. Okay. You can put your head back up for a second. And actually, I'm just going to use my fingers, because as I'm doing it, I'm realizing that the fingers create sort of feather-like. Okay. And I'm going to do that with that red as well, actually. Add a bit of white. And just dab it. Sort of roughen up the surface. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit more of that green, a little bit more yellow, and bring it up a little bit. And same on the other side. Okay, so alright, don't look so bored. Okay, now I'm just gonna rinse my hands off. I've got a big variety of colors on, and I'm gonna straighten out that beak with, I'm gonna use a finer brush. Okay, I'm going to take more white. Okay, and then I think that's about it, really. I think we've got the textured feathers of green and yellow. Let me just add a little bit more. Looks like a beaky, doesn't it? Turn this way. And you can even add a little bit of blue. So I've got this blue. Pretty. You can add a bit of that. Add more color. And if you're an adult and you're wearing this, and let's say you wear like a corset or something like that, then you can take the feathers right down your back. Now I have false lashes to put on, but I'm not going to put them on her because she's just a little girl. But if you fancy putting on lashes, I think that could go really well. So let me just do a little zoom in so you can see. Oop, wrong way. Again. And then there you go. Oop. Zoom back out. And that is my Macaw makeup tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this. This was for someone specific. Rosie had emailed me asking for this, and I'm sorry for the delay, but hopefully you'll be able to use it. And I got my little parrot here that was able to help me, and now she's gonna go scrub it off and she's gonna go do homework. Sadly. Sadly. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Say bye-bye.